Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. How are you guys doing? And if you're just joining for the very first time, my name is Olubukola. Welcome on my channel. In today's video guys, I am going to talk about the Good Molecules Discolorating Body Lotion. I know I have talked about the serum, which is this one, and I still use it. This is my fourth bottle. I started using this in January, and yeah, to be honest, I haven't been using it back to back the way I used it back when I just started using it, because this thing is expensive. Some people are even selling it as far as 11,000 naira, 12,000 naira, 13,000 naira, and it's just 30 ml. So if I have to use it every day, I don't think I can stand that is going to be a lot of expenses. So I just use it when I want to use it, or basically just like once or twice in a week. I think from the good review that this particular one has, they decided to make a discolorating body lotion as well to help with people who have acne on their body and stuff. And I just want to tell you guys a few things before buying it, because I know it is expensive. I think outside Nigeria it's $15, and the price range that I've seen here in Nigeria is like 14,000 naira. And guys, this thing is just 120 ml. So that's where I want to start from. If you're buying it, know at the back of your mind that it is just 120 ml, like the content is just 120 ml. And if you don't know, maybe you cannot actually picture 120 ml in your head. If you have seen the Simple Moisturizer before, Simple Moisturizer is actually 125 ml. So I think with that, you should be able to have an idea of the 120 ml body lotion for that price. Honestly, I wish this serum is 120 ml for like 13K. It would have been better. It would have been so good, but we know serums are freaking expensive. Okay, so if you're buying it, know at the back of your mind that it is 120 ml. Another thing that I want to say is, if you're buying this discolorating body lotion, you can use it both morning and night. Okay, you can use it both morning. It's safe to use both in the morning and at night as well. You can as well follow up with a very good body polish in order for you to get a very good result, and not having to buy plenty container before you see the results that you want. Because the truth is, there's a probability of you not getting the result you want from just one purchase. And it's just what it is. You might not be able to get a satisfaction from just one purchase, but there are things that you can do that can increase the chances of you getting a better result very, very fast, and actually reduce the number of bottles that you're going to be buying. So make sure that you're using a good body polish. There are a lot of body polish in the market that you can get. Make sure you're using a good body polish to just open up your skin and make this product sink in very, very well. Another trick to use it is, when you're applying it on your body, when you apply it there, please allow it sit before you add any other thing to it. That is if you want to still go on with another thing on your body, probably maybe oil or maybe any other thing that you apply on your body, I don't know. But whenever you apply it on your body, allow it sit and dry before you now apply another thing to it, so that you do not dissolve it and you are able to get a very good result from this product. If not, you're just going to be wasting it. And consider the price. I'm like, let me come through for my people, because just in case you want to buy it, there are several ways. I used to say it, there are techniques to use products to get a very good result. Another thing that I want to talk about this product is, if you want to use it and just make it work for you as well, if you're using it on your chest, because you know, body discoloration, body black spots, and all those things that you want to use it for, if it happens to be on your chest, on your knee, above your elbow, all those places that can still get exposed, please get a good sunscreen. Don't say because it is your body you do not want to use a sunscreen. We are talking about cutting down cost and still being able to see a very good result using this product as well. Please get a sunscreen. So let's say you apply it on your body, like I said earlier, and you want to apply another thing. So when you apply it, allow it sit on your skin, then add your sunscreen, especially if it is your chest area where it is freaking exposed, or maybe your knee, maybe your elbow. Make sure that you use a very good sunscreen. This is going to help you actually see a very good result. This is because it is expensive, and I want you guys to be able to see a very good result and not having to buy so many of the bottles. I am still using this. Will I be buying again? I don't know, because it is expensive. if I check my this thing and I said, okay, I can still buy, probably I will still buy. But I want to say this is amazing. Honestly, if you have strong black spots on your body as well, you might not be able to see good results from just one bottle of this. Let me just be totally honest with you guys. Aside from the fact that this actually helps with dark spots, I love the feel and the texture that it gives to skin. Another thing is that lotion contains higher tranexamic acid. The discolorating lotion contains higher tranexamic acid and as well jojoba oil, so it makes it very, very cool, and you're going to be able to get rid of dark spots in the best way ever if you pair it up with the things that I've mentioned in this video. And I hope this technique is really going to help you. If you have used it before, let me know in the comment section. The truth is, I don't know, I think I have seen so many people actually unbox and probably just try it. I have not seen a lot of people come back with the feedback, but these are just ways for you to actually increase your chances of not having to buy too many bottles, because tranexamic acid is so good, and I use their serum, and I can say for a fact that there are ways to use things to actually get a very good result from it. So this is what I have for you guys in my video today. If you watch me to this point and you've not subscribed, please do me a favor, smash the subscribe button. Help my ministry by smashing the subscribe button and turn your bell notification on, and I will definitely talk to you guys in my next video.